All right, guys, we have the 34th hired request on the 2018 list today. The song is called Verdi Cries by 10,000 Maniacs or Natalie Merchant. And let's take a listen to it. It's a guitar. In fact, to really understand the lesson here, you need to look up on YouTube Verdi Cries by 10,000 Maniacs. Instrumental. There's a guy playing the guitar. The really nice arrangement of this. So that's what we're doing. Very intimate arrangement. And I got the electric piano sound on here to kind of emulate that. But take a listen to it. Five, six, seven, eight. All right, so the real simplistic, intimate arrangement of this that works well on keyboard. I love doing guitar things on the keyboard because everybody thinks that really can't be done well, but it really can. So let's get started here. All the lessons for this will be on my website. I usually have it written up there, but it's webpianoteacher.com. And so we'll do the part one here, and you can grab the rest of the lessons for this on my website as a member. But here we go. A, D, G on the right hand, 1, 2, 5. Left hand will be a D. Now on the guitar, he's just, finger picking, and he'll just hit this D, but on the piano, sometimes I like to lightly get that lower octave D as well. So that's what I'm going to do. Then you go to F sharp, and then D, so ba, ba, right, that's the first measure. Next, we're going to do A and E in the left. The right hand will have A, C sharp, E, but we'll do a C sharp real quick before we get to that A and E. Back to the C sharp, and then to E. So the rhythm is, so we have, and that's B minor there. So we'll have B, F sharp. On the right hand, we'll have B, D, F sharp. Then a D, B, C sharp, D. So it's ba, ba, ba. And then C sharp in the right with left hand on an A. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the whole thing is ba, ba, ba. 2, 3, 4. The next measure, we go to a G chord. So it's G on the left hand. Right hand will have G, B, G, 1, 2, 5. Then the left hand G again. Then right hand F sharp. One more F sharp. So it's 1. And as you're holding that F sharp, left hand goes to A. Right hand E. Another E. Left hand A. Right hand C sharp. So those two measures together. Then we have, I have a D in parenthesis because I don't know if I quite hear him play it the first time. Maybe he means to or does it very lightly, but I'm going to play it D, A, D, A, D, A, B. Left hand's on a D. So, ba, 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 ba. So, this goes G, D on the left, then right hand G, D, then a C sharp, 1 and 2 and. Okay, let's go from here and do those two measures and those two measures and go. And here, A, D, left hand will have a D, D, and then a D at the end. So. It's G and then D on the left, G, D, E. The right hand E, D, D, G. We just got to mix it in together. You play together here. Right, left, right, left, left, right, left. out that right hand and not playing the left hand so loudly. And then here it's da, ba, 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 ba. So right hand A, left hand D, right, left with the D's, and then right, left with the D's again. Bum, 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 bum. And we go bum, bum, bum. So E, F sharp, D on the right, left hand on a G, and then left hand G, D, right hand G, E. So this is really part of that measure. Da, 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 da. Sorry, da, 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 da. And then here it's A and D again. Right there, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and E, D, left hand on a G, G, D, D, E. So ba, 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 ba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Long time there. It's really 2 measures. The parentheses is for the next time through, which we'll repeat later. Not yet. All right, let's do the whole thing one time, and then we'll go to part 2 on webpianoteacher.com. Here we go, guys. Bum, bum, bum. 1, 2, 3, 4. Six, 7, 8, and then we continue on there. So it's about 2 pages to this. This is just the first beginning part of the first. We'll finish it on the website. Talk to you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it.